What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're working on checking in, guys. This here is a 2020 Hyundai Tucson, 2020. I'm showing you guys how to take off the trim panel, the door handle, and the mirror, and also this here glass. All right, enough said. Let's get to work, guys. You can get yourself a flathead screwdriver or a pick, something sharp. There's the clip down inside there, guys. You're gonna flip that clip up, and you're gonna take that screw from out of there. Flip the clip up. Use a Phillips, guys. Come on, man. Yeah. God. That's what the screw looks like, guys. That's one screw. Now, we're gonna use that same screwdriver, guys. We're gonna put it right there in the groove. Slide it in. All right. Get your clip puller. Put it in the groove as well. Snatch it off just like that. Hold it. Take it out. Go ahead and take. Go ahead and take that piece off. Comes right out. Take out this handle, guys. Guys, in order to lose this handle right here, you guys see this black clip right here? That black clip. Just push that black clip in. Push it in, and this thing comes right off. Alright? Go ahead and take the plugs loose. We're gonna put this. That's how you take out the trim panel, guys, okay? That's how you do that. Now we're gonna put this aside because later on, we're gonna plug it back in to take the glass out. Okay, guys, now we're gonna take off the mirror. You guys see those 3 screws, 1, 2, 3? That is a number 10 socket. Number 10, we're gonna take it off. First thing first, guys, go ahead and unplug it. Nice. You guys see that clear piece right there? That is a safety. That's a Phillips. Go ahead and take the piece off of there as well. Go ahead and take the piece off of there. Now, go ahead and take the screws out. 1, 2. Before you take the third screw out, you want to hold the mirror, guys. Go ahead and hold it. And comes right out. See that? Comes right out, guys. All right? Now, to take the handle out, to take out this handle, go ahead and take that piece out of there. See that? It comes right out. Inside there, guys, you see that basket screw right there? That's the number 10 on Phillips. Go ahead and turn that screw to the left. Don't worry about that screw falling. It won't fall. It have a safety catch still to it. Now it's loose. Put your flathead right in the groove. Just like that. You're gonna pry it open some and loose the screw some more. It should be loose now. Hold this back. Rock it out of there. Just keep playing with it until it comes out because it's loose. See, just play with it until it comes out. Now, this handle, you're gonna slide it out. Sometimes these things do have the harness on it that is connected, which means we got to go on the inside to loose the harness. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but we're able to find out right now. Just hold it and slide it out. Yep, this one have the harness on it. Sometimes you do have to go on the inside to loose it, but this one you don't have to. Just loose this one from here. That's it. Comes right out. That's how you do that, guys. All right? Very simple. That's how you do that. Now we're gonna take out that glass. Okay? Okay guys, now we're gonna go and pick up the glass. Now see the speaker? Go ahead and take the speaker module. Take out the wire first. You're gonna take those two sides there, those are fillets. Go ahead and take it out. Once you guys take out the speaker, go ahead and plug in back the trim panel. You're gonna plug back the thing on it, the motor. Plug that back in. Now you're gonna turn on the car, not all the way, just halfway. Okay, the car is on. You guys see that plug right there? It's two of them. Take those plugs out. That's one. That's two. You're gonna drop down the glass right to those two holes because that's where the screw is gonna line up at. Right there, guys. You're gonna drop it until you see the screw. You're gonna see two screws, okay? It's two of them. Once you got that there, guys, go ahead and take off the trim panel again. Take it back out. Go ahead and take this piece off of there. It's pretty easy. Take it off. Now we're gonna take those two screws from out of there, guys. Remember, just take the screw halfway. Don't take it out all the way because the piece that's holding it together is shaped like that. It's shaped like a butterfly wing, okay? When you tie it, it holds the glass like that. When the thing is loose, just loose it just like that. So take it halfway. That's it, halfway. I think this one you gotta take out all the way. Yes, this one, the one on the right side. You take this one out all the way, and that one take it out halfway. Then you're gonna grab the glass, gonna pull it up, you're gonna tilt it and take it out. Just like that, guys. It's pretty easy. Comes right out. All right. All right. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to take this piece off. this whole piece. I won't take it out completely yet, but I'm gonna show you guys the points on how to take it out. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to take this piece out. Remember, in order to take out this piece, the glass have to be out, okay? The glass have to be out, and the window regulator has to be in the position where I have it. Got to be right there. Now, in order to take this piece out, guys, remember the handle have to be out. The door handle have to be out. Now go ahead and take that piece out of there, guys. That screw, take it out of there. Then you're gonna take those 3 screws from there. Take those 3 screws from there, because the lock is attached to this piece as well. So this piece and the lock is gonna come out as one. Then you guys gonna take all these screws out. That's on the outside. Take all these screws out, guys. All of them. Take all these screws out. Okay? And then you're gonna loose the harness from there, there. Okay? You're gonna loose the harness from here as well. Loose the harness from there. Then you're gonna grab this piece. You're gonna stick your screwdriver in and pry it out of there, and it comes out as a whole unit. The whole thing comes out. That's how you take this piece out.